This is Wilfried, the PCB designer again. Now that the design and validation processes are done, the final task is to generate output data for manufacturing, testing, and field documentation. Based on the design technology, layer stack up, and other factors, this task requires some configuration effort. Since a manual configuration process is error-prone and time-consuming, I'm using the Manufacturing Data Output Utility, or MDO, to automate the manufacturing data generation. This ensures that the set of output data is repeatable, reliable, and predictable. MDO is a standalone application which sequentially works through all manufacturing outputs. The output set contains all outputs required to do the upload to Teamcenter, like the PDF of board and schematic, ODB++ data, and the BOM. The main advantage of MDO compared to manual creating output data is that it adds a lot of intelligence. MDO allows all output types to be configured in a single interface, ensuring we do not miss anything and that all outputs are set up correctly. In the configuration editor, all layers, like copper layers, are mapped and assigned correctly without a special configuration file for each design. This is especially important when the layer stack up is changed on a design. If a PCB manufacturer requires Gerber, there is a high risk of forgetting to map a copper layer. If we create outputs manually, MDO helps us to avoid this type of error. The task list window helps us to identify which output is generated. MDO can also run in silent or in batch mode as well. We can see that all outputs were created successfully. The design review can now begin with the outputs included.